In my hands a bloom of colors soft and new. Every petal whispers what I can't say to feel. Not just a gift, but a promise I've grown. To give you a garden, to make it your own. I could never say enough with just my voice alone. So I'll let these flowers speak in a language I've known. I give you more than just roses, more than a simple sign. In each petal there's a memory, a piece of you and I. A bouquet of every moment that's bloomed inside my heart. I hand it to you now, though I don't know where to start. Some may fade, but their fragrance still lingers in the air. Every stem I've chosen holds a little bit of care. And as you hold them close, I hope you understand. These flowers hold the love that's shaped by your hands. I can never say enough, but these petals seem to know. The way they turn towards you, like the way I always grow. I give you more than just roses, more than a fleeting sign. In every bloom there's a moment where you've always been mine. A bouquet of rose story, still blooming in the light. I place it in your hands, hoping everything feels right. Every leaf, every thorn, they tell a little tale of what we've seen, what we've lost, and how we prevail. In the fragile blooms, there's strength we've always shared. A testament to love, to how we've always cared. I give you more than just roses, more than words can show. In every flower there's a journey, and you've helped me grow. A bouquet of forever, blooming brighter every day. I'll place it in your hands with every word I couldn't say. Oh, I give you more than just roses, more than simple lines. In every stem there's a chapter where your heart beats mine. A bouquet of our moments, still blooming in my soul. I hand it to you now, for you to make it whole.
Didn't care for flowers or fancy suits. Thought the fuss was just for show. Joked around when they asked me, are you ready? I said, I don't know. Try to play it cool, kept my tie a little loose. Smiled for pictures, but it felt surreal. Crowds and speeches a little too much, but something deeper began to reveal. Then the doors opened and I caught my breath. There you were, more than I could expect. And suddenly it all made sense. Every laugh, every step, every scent. All the nerves just faded away as I held your hands and heard you say, I'm here with you, come what may. And I knew Yeah, suddenly it all feels right. All the noise just turns into light. From the awkward jokes to the shaky knees, it all leads back to moments like these. You smiled and the world just stayed, and I knew this is our best day. I thought love was just a line we say. Now it's written in the sky today. Every fear just fades in your face. Every doubt replaced by grace. And now I'm standing proud and tall. Through the laughter we've had it all. Not just a day but the start of years, built on trust and a few happy tears. You laughed and my heart gave way. Yeah, I knew this is our best day. Yes, I knew this is where I'm meant to be. You and me, well and finally free. Every I don't know turned into I do, and every part of me belongs with you. So if I ever forget what to say, just remind me this was our best day.
I've been walking through the fire, breaking through the chains I wear. Every step a little higher, no more doubt, I'm almost there. I see the light just up ahead, feel the wind beneath my wings. I'm rising up, I'm not afraid. This is where I'm meant to be. I'll keep moving, turning back. I'll find my way, I'm on the right track. With every breath I'll fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. I've been knocked down, felt the pain, but I'm stronger than before. Through the storm and through the rain, I'm not waiting anymore. Now the light shines even brighter, and my heart begins to soar. I'm rising higher, fighting harder. This is what I'm living for. I keep running, no turning back. I'll reach for more, I'm on the right track. With every breath I'll fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. No fear can hold me, I'm breaking free. A fire inside that won't ever leave. The road is long, but I won't fall. I've got the strength to conquer all. I'll keep climbing, no turning back. I'll find my way, I'm on the right track. With every breath I'll fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. I'll keep soaring, no turning back. I'll take it all, I'm on the right track. With every dream I'll fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. I'll keep soaring, no turning back. I'll take it all, I'm on the right track. With every dream I'll fight, I'll stand. The world is mine right in my hands. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound. Every heartbeat's breaking ground. The sky's alive, it's calling me. A rush of life, wild and free. Let it echo through my veins. break the chains. Take me over, lift me high. Beyond the clouds, I'll touch the sky. Every heartbeat I come alive. Take me over, let me thrive. Colors bursting, lining streams, fueling hopes and endless dreams. The ground can't hold what's meant to rise. This energy, it never lies. Let it guide me pure and strong. Feel the rhythm, hear my song. Take me over, lift me high. Beyond the stars where dreams reside. Every heartbeat I feel the drive. Take me over, let me thrive. When the echoes call my name, I'll rise up through the flame. No limits, I'll break free. This is where I'm meant to be. Take me over, watch me fly. Through endless skies, my soul won't die. Every moment I'm alive. Take me over, let me thrive. Take me over, hear me roar. This